Hey everybody, I'm back and we're doing our second DIY little basket together. Really more of a floral kind of arrangement, if you will. That's what we're doing together. So as you can see, I have all my flowers just thrown all over the place. We have another picture of my grandson. You saw another picture I had of him with the other little vignette with Henry. And this is a different picture with him holding the flag. Look, I don't know what he's staring at, but he's staring at something. I think he was 2 there. He's 7 now. I think he was 2, but look how cute. Look at those big blue eyes, just like his mom. Okay, and then I have these red, white, and blue lights. I think I'm going to add to it because where I'm putting this, I have access to an outlet. So I think I'm going to put them in with this. So I'm going to lay this over so I can fold some of the lights over on top so they're in and out of the flowers, if you will. I think you guys can. That's good. Okay, so I have another couple of these, and we used one with Henry, remember, because it was 3 where they were all together from the Dollar Tree. So I'm probably going to use both of these in this, I think. If not, one, but we'll see. But for sure, I'm going to do 4th of July since London's birthday is on the 4th of July, this little guy. And I have more of the Mylar little, I call them fireworks. And this one was from the Dollar Tree, and it was on one of those, you know, those heavy things that you can sit and put on your table, but I took it off. So I'm going to be using this one. And because I want this to be really festive, because we're celebrating London's birthday as well as our country. So I'll probably use that too. All right. So what I'm going to do is really, I'm just going to start laying these carnations, which all of these flowers are from the Dollar Tree. All of this. Actually, all of this, except for the basket, all of this is a Hobby Lobby flower arrangement, actually. Just a matter of putting the Dollar Tree. These are the Gerber daisies. I'm going to put those in there too. Actually, I thought these would be pretty for fall, the color that they are, because they're a very deep rusty burgundy, and they have the yellow in them. And I like this kind of basket, and I've had this basket forever and a day. Something came in this. I always keep all the baskets that I get. A lot of times gifts will come in baskets, and I always keep them because I always use them. So I'm just moving all these because I want them. And I'm not putting any kind of foam, as you can see, into this. Oops, wrong one. And all you have to do to get this tag off, I didn't know this for the longest time, is just take off the one flower and rip it off. I used to cut this with the scissors. You don't need to do that. Again, I'm just putting these every which way. No rhyme or reason. And I don't care that this wire is showing because it's white, red, white, and blue. I could care less. Okay. If you see it, you see it. If you don't, you don't. And I don't mind using all different flowers. That might bug some people, I don't care. Let's see, where do I want to go with the white one? Over here. I want to get this straightened out. None of this takes long, you know. It'd be pretty at night, seeing those lights. And again, I'm showcasing London's pictures, so I want this fun. And you know me, I like to showcase my pictures in things like this, not always in a frame. I think I want to put him in between the sparkler. And he's holding the flag. I want him to be way up here. There you go. Hi, London. That kid. And let's see, let's put the 4th of July over here because that is his birthday. Should we have the God Bless America? Kind of want it in a different angle, a different part of the basket. I could put it out here. You know what, I think I will. I won't put it in the basket. I'm going to put it right outside of the basket is what I'm going to do. Get that red hydrangea. Wonder what one of these hats, let's do a blue. One of these hats from the Dollar Tree as well. Oh, that's cute. And then you're just going to go right there, buddy. Then let's put a white one. White hat. Right, I'm going to take this off. We don't need this. No one's going to be wearing them. How cute. And there you go. So now I'm going to take you into where this is going to be, and we'll look at it closer. Okay, everybody. Here it is, and this is where I'm going to have it on my table in my formal living room. So we'll get closer, and here are the hats from the Dollar Tree. And this God Bless America I put on the outside next to a cloche that has a candle from the Dollar Tree with a couple carnations. And obviously it's not lit because it would go out because it's got a lid on it. But nevertheless, it's a red, white, and blue candle. And then another carnation, and then over here, all of our flowers, and there is London. I don't know what he was looking at, but he was mesmerized. And then over here, another one of the hats with this sign again from Dollar Tree saying 4th of July. And at night, I'm sure those lights are gonna really show up pretty. You can see it through the basket and you can see it through the flowers. I have on my Tiffany light. Let me turn that off and see if you can see any better. Yeah, you can see it more. But at night, you'd really be able to. So I want to thank you for coming along with me as I put this together. As you can see, it didn't take me any time at all. There's no foam in it whatsoever. Worked out just fine. Thank you so much. And until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.